Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to fix Swann Security mobile app if it's not working. Step 1. Update the Swann Security app. First, ensure you are running the most up-to-date version of the app. Open the App Store, tap the search icon in the bottom right, and look for Swann Security app. If an update appears next to the app name, tap it to install the latest version. Step 2. Clear the app cache if the problem persists. Head to General inside your device settings, then select iPhone Storage. Find the Swann Security app and tap on it. On the screen, choose Offload app and confirm. Once that's done, tap the reinstall button to reinstall the app. This should resolve the issue. Step 3. Uninstall and reinstall the app. If clearing the cache doesn't solve the issue, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Follow the instruction to navigate to the app page. Tap Delete app and then remove it from your device. Afterward, run to App Store, search for the Swann Security mobile app, and tap the download button to reinstall it. Hopefully this might resolve the issue. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.